Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to save in Google Sheets. So in order to save your Google Sheets document, you will have to go right here to File and then press Download. You have to download it in one of these formats. By the way, if you know the C document status, if you have this check in this cloud, that means that your document is automatically saved in your cloud. Go File, Download, and choose a format: Microsoft Excel, document, PDF, HTML, CSV or CSV. So choose a format where you want to save your document and then simply name it right here and select where you want to download it and press Save. Right now it will save it to your downloads in my case, and as you can see it is right here. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.